Q4 the wrong time to start on Etsy? Okay, so is Q4 the wrong time to start on Etsy? So if you're talking now, like we're at the beginning of Q3 right now, starting earlier is always going to be better. If you start in 3 months' time and I start today, I'm going to make more money than you. Like, it's just simple as that. The thing is, in Q4, if you start a store, let's say November, beginning of November, you are going to get sales, and you are going to get more sales starting in November than compared to starting in January. But in December, for one, it's just not that much time to actually capitalize on the Christmas sales. For two, you don't know which products do well, and like, you can't fully capitalize on a product if you don't know it does well. Like, if a product does well, I'm changing my whole strategy. I'm doing a million of other things to improve that product. But because if you start it in the beginning of November, you don't have any time to actually improve it, it's bad. But like, let's say, yeah, it's like a million reasons why. The third reason is like quality control. It's rare to have this, but it does happen. Like, if you have a really bad product and you sell a bunch of it in November because sales go through the roof in November, you have no idea that the quality's there and the quality's maybe shit, and then you have to refund everyone. And it would have been a lot better if you did that in June, July, when it's a bit more chill. Super quick interruption. After you finish watching this video right here, go check out the video that's the top link in the description, where I detail exactly how I made over £200,000 from Etsy dropshipping in just 3 months. Go check it out, but watch this video first.